Hello everyone. Welcome back to another crypto video. Today is the second of the month, and today we're going to go over 10 for 10. So the idea behind this is that you can get financially stable in crypto with a little bit of money. So what the 10 for 10 is you're going to take $10 and put it into 10 different altcoins, and we're going to have a target, and we're going to see if we can make that target, and we're going to try to target 10+% off each one, shorting or longing depending on where that particular coin is at this time. So that's the premise behind it. So again, it's $10 and 10 different coins. It's $100 you can start with, and you can follow along in the description box below. There is a link to the Telegram group. It is free to join to follow along on this, and so just go ahead and click that link, join the Telegram group. Also, if you want a biblical study, the biblical study link will be in the description box below. All right, with that, let's get started because the video won't be too long. All right, so the first one is going to be SOL, S-O-L. Oh, another thing is that it's always going to be against the US dollar, the USDT or USD or the perpetuity contract. So that's what we're going to that's what I'm going to look at, and that's where we're going to base off the pricing on there. All these will be links. We'll save the links. I'll put them into the Telegram group so you can follow along with it and mark it up as we go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, since we're holding this a month, we want to know where the support and resistance are on the month. So that's what what's going to mark out. This is going to be, this is what's going to look like right here. This is going to be the sell area right there. Let me change that. Let's see if I can find a square. There's a better one. All right, so that is where we're going to try to pick it up to go long, but we're not going to go long on SOL. We're going to go short because look, we have a fully engulfed, a bearish engulfing on SOL. So that means we're going to go short, and we're going to target 10%. So we're going to go short exactly where it's at, and we're going to target 10%, which is not very far away. But again, the whole idea behind this is that you can make good money off of these particular calls, and you don't have to do anything besides buy it and sell it. Since we will not use a stop loss when we go long, because we'll just, what we call bags, we'll just hold the bags and wait for it to rebound and dollar cost average if we needed to. However, going short, we will use a stop loss, and the stop loss is going to be at the swing high for us. And another thing is, when it gets past the stop loss, when it gets, or the take profit, we're going to move the stop loss to the take profit, and we're going to let it ride the rest of the month and see how far we can go with the profits. All right, so that's going to be it. So now we want to go to the week and see how the week looks. And you can see that we're having a sell-off, and we have another resistant level right there on the week chart on the week. And you can see that's right at our take profit. Therefore, we have a good take profit for us. So I will save all these links for us and go, but you can look at this video. Okay, so the first one is SOL. We're going to go short. The second one is going to be XRP. XRP has a complete sell sign right now. We can see this little trend line right here. It has broken down. On our custom indicator at the bottom, we can see that we have a crossover down there. That means that we're going to go short on XRP also, and we're going to target 10%. And we're going to use the stop loss at the swing high on there because we are going to short. If we go long, we will not use a stop loss. Okay, so we're going to go short on SOL, short on XRP, and let's see. And again, here is Loon. This is to the AUS, or to the USD, I mean. Loon to the USDT. Sorry. So we can see that we do have a nice little bounce up. So what we want to do again, this is we want to go to the week, look at the week, which looks like we have a piercing pattern. We're gonna go short on Loon also. So you can take that, you can go to your entry point right there, and we can see that we're gonna go short, and that's gonna be that swing low right there. And since we are going short, we're going to want to use a stop loss, and we want to do that swing high right there. So the first three we're going to go short. This is ADA. Let's go to the month. Fully engulfed ADA. That means we're probably most likely going to come back down here to this swing right here, and that is going to be at 34 cents. So that's almost 50%, if not a little bit more. Again, we're going to go short. Doesn't look too good for us if you're trying to go long and you think we're in the bull market. I would tell you to go back and relook at your chart, because I highly doubt it. But again, there it is right there. Go to the week. You can see that this is where we are. This is the target that we're going to go after. So ADA is going to be short also. AVA, again, AVA right here. We can see that on the week chart. This is the weekly chart. So this one we got to really pay attention to, and the reason we have to pay attention to this one is because we do have a fully engulfed on the monthly chart. On the week chart, though, we have a resistance right here. So we need to break through that resistance. So we are going to go short. We're going to go 10% like all the other ones, and we're going to use our swing high for the stop loss. And that swing high just happens to be at that resistance, so that's good for us. So we're going to go short on there. Next one is Sheep coin. What does Sheep look like? We can see that it did break around that resistance. Again, we're going to go short on Sheep also. And oops, we're going to go short on Sheep also. And we're going to target 10%. Again, we're going to move your take profit. I'm sorry, your stop loss to the 10% when we close below it, or close above the take profit, and then we're going to see how far we can ride it. All of this will be tracked daily inside the Telegram group. The link will be in the description box below. MATIC, Matic is we're going to go short again off of that one. And you can see that your final target on Matic, if you're shorting, is probably going to be 93%, but we'll see. But we're not just going to sell at 10%. We're going to put a notification on there, and we're going to go and see how far we can take these profits, because if we can do 50% per week, that was great. The monthly on the Crow was fully engulfed. We should have went short last night. We'd already hit our target, already had our stop loss. However, I wanted to wait until in the morning to do it, because I wanted to see how the month started off. But you can see that we do have a resistance right there, and that's probably where we're going to be hitting to. And so we want to go down there and go to our 10%, go to our swing high, because again, on shorts, we do want to have stop losses. On longs, we don't want to use a stop loss, because we'll just get some bags. That's all. Here is Litecoin. Litecoin again, we want to go short on it, and you can see that this month doesn't look well. But most likely, we're going to bounce back. We're going to hit our target, and then probably bounce back off of the middle of the month. Link. Here's Link. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. All right, so here's Link. On the month chart, completely fully engulfed, broke out of it. Again, we're going to go short, and we're going to target 10%, which this one is probably going to get right at the 10%. There we go. And so that's the one we're going to go. I think that's all of them. Okay, so all 10 coins are going to be listed in the description box below. You can follow along with this. on the Telegram group. Just click on the link, join the Telegram group. Again, it's free, and follow along with it and go from there. Other than that, I will see you on the next video.